Hi guys, today we are going to configure the Wi-Fi for the Deye Inverter. You go to your settings, you connect your phone Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi logger here. You input the password. The password is displayed on the side of the logger. Then you will go to your Google, Safari, Google Chrome, and you put in 10.10.100.254. You will create yourself a username and password. I have already created mine. Then you will go to wireless settings. You will pick up your different Wi-Fis. I will select this one. You enter your password. Confirm. It will just then take a few seconds for the Wi-Fi to pick up on the logger. Request success. The Wi-Fi logger is now online. You will only see the net light come on in about 5 to 10 minutes.